Good morning to all. In this video I would explain trees. Okay, so this is the fifth unit. So there are three topics are there. So one is trees, another is graphs, and another one is searching and sorting. Okay, first of all we discussed about trees. Okay, a tree is that consists of nodes connected by edges. We are seeing stacks and queues, okay, and linked list. All these are all linear data structures. So linear data structure means the data can be stored in sequential order. Okay, so that means the first element is stored in 2000 location, and next element is stored in 2002 location, and next element is stored in 2004 location. Like this, the elements are stored in particular order. So that is sequential order. So, but in the case of non-linear data structure like trees, graphs, the elements are not stored in sequential order. The elements are stored in non-sequential order. So that is non-linear order. Okay, so that's why these data structures can be called as non-linear hierarchical data structure. Hierarchical means level by level. So that is level 1. So the next step level, next level, like this. So that is non-linear hierarchical data structure. Okay, so the main purpose of this data structure is, so the trees is stored in non-linear structure. So that's why, so the data can be increases. Okay, and data according to size, the data based on the size, so the structure is increases. Okay, so suppose there is a less number of size, the structure is less. So less number of elements, the structure is less. So similarly, there are more number of elements are there, we can increase the structure. So based on the number of elements, the structure will be decided. Okay, so that is the main importance. So main use of data structures, that is non-linear data structures, especially in the case of tree. Okay, so that is here the size of the data structure is depends on the number of elements. Okay, number of elements available in the given data. Okay, so if the size is increases, then also number of elements also increases. Okay, and similarly number of elements is decreases, the size is also decreases. So that's why the data, this type of data structures are used. Okay, so the next, tree terminologies. So before discussing about trees, so first we discussed about tree terminologies. Okay, in this first we discussed about what is node. Okay, so a node is an entity that contains a key or value and points to the child nodes. So here see this diagram. In this diagram, so there are 5 nodes are there, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 nodes are there. So out of these 5 nodes, so each node having a single value. So a value and then pointer. Okay, each node consists of value and then pointer. Okay, so it that pointer will points to its child node. Okay, so and the next one, observe the 3, 4, 5 nodes. So these are the last nodes. So that is nothing but leaf nodes. So these nodes cannot have any further link. Okay, see first node. So that is node number 1. So if you see the node number 1, so it points to the two nodes, that is 2 and 3. Okay, and observe the second node. So under node number 2, it points to the 4 and 5. Okay, so like this, here in this tree, the 3, 4, 5 are the leaf nodes which cannot points to the another nodes. Okay, so and these nodes can be called it as external nodes. Okay, external nodes are leaf nodes, and the second node number 2 is a internal node, and node number 1 is a root node. Okay, these are the different terminologies. And another one is edge. Edge is nothing but it is the link between any two nodes. Link between any two nodes. So here we observed there are 4 links. 1 and 3 having one edge, and 1 and 2 have one edge, 2 and 4 have one edge, 2 and 5 has another edge. There are 5 nodes are there and 4 edges are there in the tree. Next, height of a node. So height of a node is nothing but longest path from the node to the leaf node. Okay, so suppose in this tree, so the height of a node is 2. Okay, so that is the longest path from the node to leaf node. So here the longest path is 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So the edges, so that is the height of a node is the number of edges from the node to the deepest node. So 1 to 4, sorry, 1 to 4 is one path, 1 to 5 is another path. So out of this path there are 2 edges are available. So that's why the height of a node is nothing but 2. Okay, so see the above diagram. So in this diagram, so the longest path is 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 8. So the number of edges to the longest path is 3. So that's why the height of the tree node is a 3. Okay, so the next depth node. Okay, depth node is nothing but depth node of a node is the number of edges from the root to the node. Okay, depth of the node is nothing but number of edges from root to the node. Next, height of a tree. So height of a tree is nothing but the height of a tree is the height of the root node to depth of the deepest node. See this example. So here the height of a tree, height and depth of each node in a tree. So చూడండి, each and every node ki height anta. So the suppose the node number 1 height anta 2. So that is coming from the leaf nodes onwards. So all leaf nodes height is 0. Okay, so all leaf nodes means in this example the leaf nodes are 3, 4, 5. So these are the leaf nodes. The height of the leaf node is 0 and depth of the leaf node is, so depth is different. So that means this is second level. So d equal to 2, d equal to 2. So next we go for the another level, h equal to 1 and d equal to 1. Okay, and next level h equal to 2. So like this we are calculating height and depth of the each node. Okay, next degree of the node. So degree of the node is depends upon the, so degree of the node is the total number of branches of that node. So suppose see this example. So here the degree of 1 is 2. So that means the total number of branches. So that is this is one branch, that is 2, 4, 5 is one branch and 3 is another branch. So suppose the previous example. So our above example, in this example the degree of 5 is nothing but 3. So that means there are 3 children are there. Okay, so here let me call it as, so suppose here the 1 is a root node and 2 and 3 are the children of the root node and 4 and 5 are the children of the second node. So like this we can call it is okay, 3, 4, 5 are the leaf nodes and 2 and 2 is the internal node. Okay, then next 1 is a root node. So root node means the topmost element. Root node having root node does not have any parent. A root node have no parent. A leaf node have no children. A leaf node ante leaf node which has no children. So root node is nothing but which has no parent. So see this example. So 1 as a root node. So root node parent unnara ledu. Leaf nodes enti 3, 4, 5 are the leaf nodes. Leaf nodes ki unna children unnaya ledu. So 1 is the root node and 3, 4, 5 are the, sorry, 1 is the root node and 3, 4, 5 are the leaf nodes. Okay, so like this we are identifying the what is leaf node and what is the root node, what are the internal nodes and what is the external nodes, what is edge and what is the degree of a node and what is the edges. Okay, what are the, how many nodes are there in the tree. So like this there are different terminologies are available in the tree data structure. Okay, so tree data structure is nothing but a non-linear hierarchical data structure. That means one element, the first element is placed in one location and second element is placed in any another location. Okay, suppose the first element is placed in 2000 location and another element can be stored in either 3000 or 4000 or whatever it may be. Randomly the elements are stored. So this is the some basic terminology about the trees. Okay.